is Ethiomar. Hello everyone, this is Ethiomar YouTube. Today I wanted to show you how to install SPSs. We have, as you know, we have different softwares that use us to analyze our research, either it is professional or for graduations. SPSs 23 and SPSs 24 I have, but SPSs 23 is the most easy to use, either for professional users or for graduate users. So I want to show you now how SPSs 23 installed. Please follow me and wait with me. Look here, SPSs 23, and first copy this key because it used for later to license registration. Copy and go now to Windows and set up. Click one times and yes. Look this one. Install IBM SPSs to Stat6 23. Click one times. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a moment. It is preparing for installing. Go next. Accept the term of the license agreement. Next. Okay, next. Still next. Okay, accept the term in the license agreement. Next. Accept now. Next. Okay. Wait. Being installing IBM SPSs Stat6 23. Still the system are run. As I have told you before, I selecting IBM SPSs Stat6 23 for effective and better use. We have using alternatively the Stata and other versions of SPSs, but it is easy to use IBM SPSs Stat6 23. Therefore, I advise you to install on your PC or desktops in IBM SPSs Stat6 23.
Thank you.
paste. Now paste the key. We have already copy at the beginning here. Paste. Okay, next, finish. Okay, select now. Okay, now this close this window and go to the beginning. Okay, to this one crack. Okay, from the crack SPSs SPSs. Okay, this ice rig, copy this one, copy. Okay, close the tab and open this one. After opening this one, open location. We get this here and also paste here. Continue. Okay, finish. Now let we have seen here. Opening. Okay, preparing for ready to use. Okay, now it is easy to use. Data views is here, variable views is here, look help is here, window, file, views and edited, tutorial keys, about, look here, about version 23, IBM SPSs 6 version 23. Every features are here. I give a tutorial. The next how to use this app, how to use this application, how to apply to your researches entering of data, analyzing of data, and others. It is also important for social, as I have already explained. It is important for social and natural streams. For both streams, we have using this easily for especially for beginners and graduate students. Thank you.